Hi friends, if you're a certain age like me, you may have memories of your parents running around recording your childhood antics with camcorders. So those days of VHS camcorders are now sadly behind us. So now we actually have digital camcorders. I picked up this guy for around about £60 or $70 on Amazon. It's a 4K digital camcorder. But for that price, you can't expect much, can you? Well, let's find out in this video. Okay, so of course, this, as I said, is a 4K, apparently, digital camcorder. It's very lightweight. It just uses a storage card. It's got a little flip-out screen, so of course, you can actually use it at various angles. You can twist it if you want to do low angles, or you can flip it around for things like vlogging style. Okay, so let's go through the features of this digital camcorder. The first thing you're going to notice is the flip-out screen. Nice and large. It's a 3-inch screen here, diagonally across. Nice and bright. It obviously folds in and it can tilt up and down, so good for low angle shots or doing things like selfie shots. The other thing to note is it's got this slider, so you can do wide angle and telephoto. It is a digital zoom rather than optical, so for this price range you can't expect an optical zoom. So one thing to bear in mind is the quality, of course, is going to suffer if you zoom in. So I would probably suggest that this is more of a gimmick than actually much use. I also noticed that when you zoom in and out, it doesn't do it smoothly, it kind of jolters, so you're not going to get a perfect zoom. So I would just suggest just doing it in software. You have this cold shoe mount here, or hot shoe mount, for adding things like lights or perhaps a microphone. So that's good. In the back here, worthy of notes, you've got some ports. So you've got your charging port, obviously, which is I think USB-C. You've also got your 3.5 millimeter microphone socket just there. You've got your record and start button. Obviously, you've got two modes: recorded video and also record a photo. So you obviously just press this to trigger the photo or to trigger the recording. You obviously have this sort of handhold sort of strap here. The other thing to note is that it doesn't, although on the lens itself, the 4K lens, it is obviously a fixed aperture, 1.8 here. So I've noticed that it's okay for doing things like vlogging, but don't try and get any macro shots with it. You're not going to be out of focus with that. It doesn't actually come with a lens cap either, so that's kind of a bit strange. I think they could have just included that, but I think because it comes to this case, you can still keep the lens fairly well protected. So this is, as I said, the case that comes with it. It's just a normal standard soft case, nothing to get particularly excited about. Okay, so control wise, you've just got a few buttons, so nothing to get too worried about. Obviously you've got your power button here, a way of accessing a menu, a mode button, and various cursor keys. So let's just go through some of the features available. If I press the button here, you then get access to your menu, so you can choose things like your resolution, 4K and 2K and 1080p. You've got various things like loop moding, slow motion, and various effects. You can choose to record in color or in black and white. Not quite sure why you want to do that, but never know. And you've got various other settings. You can also change things like the EV. If you want to, you can change, I think, the shutter speed. Let me just go to that. You can change like the white balance, the exposure. So you've got a number of controls on this. Nothing particularly fancy. It's not going to replace your smartphone, but for sort of throwing about camera, and if you're maybe on the beach or you're recording of kids, it's got the controls you need for that. It also comes with this little control here. So if you want to be able to do things like vlogging or record from some distance away, then you've got that accessory included. Now guys, you have to remember that of course this is a £60 4K camcorder. It's not a £1,000 plus smartphone, so the quality of video is obviously not going to be the same, but it is actually surprisingly usable for this type of video. So if you're just messing around with family, perhaps on holiday or at the beach, and you're taking shots of the kids running around, you don't necessarily need it at a super duper high quality, because of course this it won't drain your batteries on your phone. You can keep your phone, your expensive phone, it's sort of safely in your pocket. You can just mess around with this. It's £60, so if something happens to it, it's not going to it's not going to break the bank, I suppose, and you can just easily replace it. Or you can even give it to the kids to film themselves and mess around. They're going to have a whole lot of fun doing that. So For the price, you really can't argue. It's £60, so you're not going to make your Hollywood blockbuster with it at all, but for just messing around with the kids, it's perfectly acceptable, and I think a pretty good buy. So just check out the links, of course. Okay, guys, I hope this video is useful. Don't, if it is, of course, give it a thumbs up, and I shall see you soon on another video.